Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you have problems with your microphone, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing you need to try just restore your phone. So just go to the settings, just find in the settings general, and in the general just scroll down to shutdown, just tap on shutdown, just slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. If it doesn't help you, you can also try to might force restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because in different models you need to tap on different combination of buttons. So just find what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart on your phone. And another thing you need to check is just find here privacy, and in the privacy you need to find here microphone, and just check if you turn on here access for apps that you use, and also that application that have requested access to the microphone will appear here. So here you can see all the apps that request access for your microphone, so just allow it for all of them. And after, another thing you can also check is just go back to the settings, just find here screen time, so just open it, just turn on if you turn it off like I do. Yes, this is my iPhone, so just wait some time until it will become active. So now just find here content and privacy restrictions, and here you need to find microphone, so just turn on here and just find microphone. So here you can see it, microphone. Just open it, and here you can also need to choose allow changes, and just from here you can also choose to these apps that request access for your microphone. So this is the way how you can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.